so sweet. Hello, it's Marek. Welcome to MDrives. Today I'm pretty excited because it's my first proper drive with my new VRSF Sport Cat. So in this video I will show you the difference between stock system and stock system with a Sport Cat. So I've captured quite a few videos with my standard system, and now I'm going to replicate exactly the same thing with this Sport Cat installed, and this should give you a good idea of the difference between how they sound. So in terms of the tone, they are identical. I think Sport Cat made it slightly bit more throaty but louder, so I would say it's in comfort now it feels more like in Sport before, and in Sport now it feels so much better. You can definitely hear more noise coming from the back of the car rather than from the speakers. It pops louder, that's for sure as well. Overall, I think this is perfect for me. So I've tested a couple of different options before, and they were either too loud, they were droning. This one, so far, I haven't experienced any drone. So cruising around 2000 RPMs, there is a very slight drone, but it's exactly the same like you get with the stock system, and it only happens when the system is cold, but it's nothing, absolutely nothing which would make you feel like it's too much. For many, probably this won't be even enough, and they will tell you need to decut your system to make it sound good, but it's all very personal. It really depends on your ears. I'm very sensitive to a drone, so when I hear the drone, probably half people won't. So if I'm saying this is absolutely fine, then believe me, it is. I'm gonna open the windows now so you can hear it, how it pops in Sport Plus during just a normal driving. It's very greasy today, so I won't be able to put the power down. It sounds so sweet. Yeah, no traction. Cold start, it's not too bad. It's touch louder, but it's nothing you should be worried about. It's not like MPE. I had MPE before, and believe me, this is night and day. This is maybe halfway between standard system and MPE. So I think, to me, it's a happy medium. think normal driving, it is absolutely fine. It's almost the same as stock. You can hear the exhaust slightly more, but it's not annoying in any way. Now even in comfort mode it's nice, so you can hear the pops during slow driving. Even in comfort you can still hear this kind of random pops, and yeah, it sounds great. In terms of Sport Plus, yeah, again, just louder, and it sounds absolutely sweet. I actually do prefer the note of the exhaust to the MPE. I'm not sure why. MPE just sounds a bit different, and to be honest, this is what I prefer. So I'm going to stop here. So in a moment you're going to hear both standard and Sport Cat systems, and you will be able to hear the difference, hopefully. Right, so I'm gonna start with comfort mode. Right, let's move to Sport Plus. It sounds so sweet. Right, next thing, let's do a traction mode. So I'm going to accelerate from the stop now, and we'll see how this will compare. So I think it's time to go, summarize. It sounds so sweet. Honestly, I'm so happy with it. Perfect. Honestly, if you are looking for something which is more than stock system, but you don't want to be over the top with it, this is a perfect solution. There's one more thing to mention. Most of cheaper Sport Cats will not guarantee that you will not get the lights on the dash because obviously of the changed emission of the gases. So what you have to do is, if your car isn't tuned, where you could switch that off simply, like mine, you have to get a spacer. Cat spacers are quite cheap. I paid 15 quid for MTC 90 degree spacer, and so far no problems, no lights, car is happy, it works absolutely fine. So yes, that's something you have to remember about, that you will have to get it, otherwise you might, it's not, I'm not telling you will, but you might get the light on the dash, which isn't great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you shortly in the next one. Thank you, goodbye, do widzenia.